Solve this two-step equation. It's a two-step equation because it involves two operations. Multiplication, which is shown here, and addition, which is shown here. Let's take this equation and plug it into this template. So we get negative 4x plus 12 equals negative 16. We need to get rid of this 12, so we subtract 12 from both sides. So this becomes negative 4x plus 12 minus 12 equals negative 16 minus 12. Simplifying, we get negative 4x equals negative 16 minus 12 is negative 28. This expression, negative 4x, involves multiplication. To undo it, we need to divide. So we take negative 4x and divide it by negative 4. Likewise, we take negative 28 and also divide it by negative 4. So you can see both sides are divided by negative 4. Simplifying, we get x is equal to 7.